Traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Great to be with you on a Tuesday. It is August 29th, 2017, the last week of our trading. We got NFP on Friday. It's quite an interesting week. Got things moving along here. Just to comment on, yesterday the dollar really took a beating, and everybody was wondering why. Well, after scanning some sites and watching Twitter and all that, it just looks like the markets were really disappointed that Yellen and Draghi didn't do anything. That was what was really the detriment of the whole thing, was that those two didn't do anything to improve the situation, right? So that's why the dollar took a hit, and the dollar did take a hit. It was 11 a.m. Wall Street time. It was 10 p.m. Thailand time, and all of a sudden I look at my charts and I see these big blue candles. The New Zealand dollars, you can see here, just took the turn to the upside. So we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Let's take a look at what's going on today in data. We do have some data coming out. And we had some data coming out. We had Japan had household spending. It came out at negative 0.2. They were expecting 0.7. Not a good number. In the European session today, we have nationwide HPI month on month. And we have out of Germany, GFK, German consumer climate, comes out today out of the Euro. And also French consumer spending comes out. French GDP comes out today. We also have out of the CAD RMPI for July. And in the U.S. session, we have CB consumer confidence coming out today. And that's about it. Into tomorrow's Asia session, we do have the Kiwi building consents month on month. Let's take a look at what the markets did. The gold has topped the 1300 level. We're currently at 1,322.21. Crude oil WTI is at 46.83. Brent is still above 50 at $51.62. U.S. coffee is positive 0.11%. Natural gas is negative 0.34%. Let's take a look at our indices. Sell off, it looks like, right? S&P 500 futures negative 0.54%. NASDAQ futures negative 6.1%. Dow down negative 0.02%. S&P 500 VIX up 0.38%. Nikkei 225 negative 0.74%. Dollar index negative 0.02%. The dollar is getting crushed, my friends. Absolutely crushed. And we're taking the blunt of it. Yeah, not a good thing, right? All right, let's take a look at the charts. Let's take a look at this New Zealand while we're on that topic. This was yesterday. It must have been this candle I saw. Wow. It must have been this candle I saw. These three candles here at the end of New York, and then this popped down. This goes into Asia. So, this is an interesting spot. We'd love to see this come all the way back up to 72.70, right? Come back up here, and we can sell it. But we can't do anything here, right? This is just in a mess. All your moving averages are together. You got the 200 exponential. It's reacting to price. It's bounced off it on both sides. So we're just going to have to wait on the Kiwi. Nothing to do as far as a trade opportunity there. My trade of the day is the pound. Why was my trade of the day the pound? Well, first of all, this has made remarkable moves to the upside, and we had a gap here on in Asia, right, on Sunday. Look at this, fills the gap. Thank you very much. Let's go back to the upside. It's amazing how these currency pairs work. So I put this trend line on here. It was a 4-touch trend line. You can see where it dipped down below. I didn't enter that trade. That's why it's so important, if you have a trade plan, that the candle closes where you want it to close. In other words, if you want it above the trend line, make sure it closes. Don't enter a trade in the middle of the candle. Always wait for the candle to close. Sometimes you're going to lose some pips, and sometimes you're going to thank me. That's the way it works. So I'm looking to get in this at 1.2930 to the downside. I would be cautious of this 55 exponential moving average, this teal line, but I think we're going to be all right. I'm going to take it down to the 200 exponential moving average, which is substantial support, and that's at 1.2870. Where would you put your stop? 1.2950. That'd be fine, because that's going to take out this high, my friends. That's going to take out this high, and if it takes out this high, you don't want to be in this trade, right? So you just get out. All right. All right, good stuff. Let's take a look at the euro. Surprisingly, it's taken 24 hours, and our trade is finally in a spot where we possibly can take this down at the London Open. I don't see anything happening with this before London Open. A good thing for me, just because I watch a lot of charts, I watch 8 charts at one time, is I'm going to stick a trend line in here. And that'll just alert me to at least look at it and possibly maybe get in that, right? So that'll alert me that that's happening. So yeah, we want this to come back down. You know, it's pretty cool. It came down, it came to the 76.4 Fibonacci level, came back up. So we're just waiting for this to break. This pair is bullish at the moment. It's bullish. The dollar being so weak, this pair is having a glory day. All right, it's bullish. So we want to buy this. We want to buy this. We want this to break down. We want it to come out to this 1.1887, and we can take this to the upside. Why the trend line? Well, I'm kind of curious to see how this pair is reacting to what's left of the chart, what's in the way. Is it going to react to it, or is it just going to continue the mission? If anything else, I would expect to see some kind of profit taking coming to the end of the month, all that stuff, right? NFP on Friday. I'm thinking people are going to start taking stuff off the table. This is going to pull down. Then Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this thing continues to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. I give it about a 35% chance of success on this trade because this pair is bearish as a whole if you look at a daily chart. But right now on a 30-minute chart, an hourly chart, this pair is bullish. It is bullish, and you can't not respect that. All right, that's my take on the euro. I think I spent way too much time on that. I think nothing really else. Aussie is at a nice level here. You know, sometimes you want to think maybe we want to take a better look at that, huh? Yeah, it's not at a bad spot here. But it's got to come back up to the 79.70, right? 79.70. It's got to come up here. I'm sure not going to short it here, right, folks? We're not going to short this here. This needs to pop up and give us an opportunity to take it back down. What we can do is we can throw a Fibonacci level on here. And let's just take a look at what we got. Well, you'd hope it to go up to the 618, but it might only go up to the 50. You'd have to take it to the downside, but you're going to get stuck in this 200. And the other thing is you really want this 5 EMA on top of price, right? You want 5 on top of price, pushing price down. You really don't want. So this is not a trade yet. Maybe later in the day, but not at the moment. And really a little bit of movement in Asia. And that's probably because of the Japanese data that came out earlier today. Gave you a nice move to the upside. I was not at my charts at that point, so I missed the trade. All right, traders, thank you so much for being with me. TradingWithBill.com. Come visit my website. You can see this video and all the other videos. Just click on the video channel up on the right-hand corner. Traders, thanks again. Catch you tomorrow, and that'll be the 30th of August. All right, my friends, remember to trade smart, not hard. Catch you later. Take care now. Bye-bye.